Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your portfolio with Fidelity, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Fidelity website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, locate the Accounts and Trade tab on the click on Portfolio to access your investment holdings. Review the overview of your portfolio, which displays current balances and performance. To analyze specific investments, click on individual asset classes listed in your portfolio. You can sort your investments by various criteria, such as performance, cost basis, or dividends. To make adjustments, select the trade option for buying or selling securities. Follow the prompts to buy or sell shares, making sure to review trade details carefully. After executing trades, return to the portfolio section to see updated holdings. To set investment goals, click on the Planning and Guidance tab. Use tools like the Retirement Planning Calculator to project future performance. Check the Research section for market analyses and tools to assist in decision-making. Consider using the Watchlist feature to track potential investment opportunities. For in-depth analysis, explore Fidelity's educational resources and webinars. Review your portfolio periodically to ensure alignment with your financial goals. Adjust your investments as needed based on performance and market conditions. Finally, consider consulting with a Fidelity representative for personalized advice. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.